Power of vitamin E for radiant skin and lasting beauty. Vitamin E is an antioxidant. People adequate vitamin E from their diet, but it is also available in the form of supplements and skincare products. Vitamin E is a nutrient that the body cannot make on its own. Here are some reasons why vitamin E is considered important in the beauty industry. 1. Youthful radiance. 2. Hydration and nourishment. 3. Natural UV protection. 4. Skin repair and regeneration. 5. Anti-inflammatory relief. 6. Skin brightening. 7. Scar healing and reduction. 8. Revitalized hair and nails. 9. Holistic beauty enhancement. Vitamin E contributes to your body's natural ability to radiate beauty from within. Additionally, the effectiveness of vitamin E in beauty products might depend on factors such as formulation, concentration, and the overall skincare routine. As with any skincare ingredient, it's a good idea to do your research. Consult with dermatologists. For more such amazing videos, like, share, and subscribe Ben's Beauty.